What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to our buddy Jacob's house with Tim, and we're gonna do a little something to Tim's car, so stay tuned. Heading there right now. What do you got there, bro?
Some goodies.
We got a little package here.
I'll have to slam this bad boy.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So we got some Raceland coilovers. Thank you to Raceland for sponsoring us and sponsoring this video. So today we got our buddies Jacob and Nathan in the house. They're gonna help us install the coilovers and see how they ride, to be honest. What you got there?
So we got this in the package from the coils. Let's open it up, see what it is.
Oh shit! Yeah.
This is why I got them, just for the keychain.
Out with the old. What are you gonna do with this one, bro?
Shit, it's a lowering spring.
Just
Sell it.
guess so.
Something
Aim
came
at the near.
with the nail.
Oh, hey guys.
Hey guys. Yeah. Welcome back. We're here. How's it going?
Good,
How you
good.
feeling? Is it pretty hot or what?
Oh, it's boiling, boy.
Look at Jacob's side, bro. Look at my side. Tires
Yeah,
on.
let's check it.
That's it.
Eh? Woo. Oh, wheels spinning now? We're out here. Dude, that was pretty quick, man. You did that in like 2 seconds,
Thanks,
dog.
bro. 2-second Tommy over here.
Yeah, 2-second Tommy.
Yo, what are you guys just gonna have to like center it?
Ooh, wait. She's on the fucking...
On the fender?
Yeah. She's low, bro.
See?
To roll those fenders,
You
bro.
have to roll it.
100%. Are you off or no?
No.
Damn, these are maxed out, eh?
Wait, can you drop it
That's
all the way
good.
or no?
Look at that shit.
Nah, I don't want to pop this fender.
What's going on, bro?
Too low, bing bow, ow. Holy shit.
How many times have you guys adjusted this?
Not that many times.
This guy hasn't
Only
adjusted
5.
it one time.
Actually, yeah.
This is his first time adjusting it.
No, I don't want that. Want to put the other way from? You do last thread to the top?
Alright, see, turn left again. I mean, yeah, you're right fucking on it, bro.
Beautiful. Like I would run it like this.
I run it like that.
Bro, your car's so quiet now. What happened?
The cops, that's what happened.
This guy's sitting low, man. You guys stand like right here, kind of. What do you think?
That's nice.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, look who it is.
Content.
You made it back, bro. Brought the E30 out. So it's running fine now? Because you said there's like some issues with it before when you had it at the shop. The fuel pump.
It's acting up, but it's like still acting up, but it's drivable. Got some wheels down.
That's sick, bro.
It's fucking open. Here we go.
Here we go.
Jeez.
You're gonna start riding now or what? Or is this like an art piece?
Nah, this is an art piece, bro.
Yeah. Good memories, man.
Yes, sir.
How was this Sunday at Bureaucracy? Was it good?
Sunday was dead, bro. I'm not
Was it
gonna
dead?
lie.
Yeah, Saturday was lit, eh?
Saturday was sick.
That's
It
dope.
was so fucking hot. People realized that it's gonna be hot too Sunday, so like, fuck that, I ain't pulling out, you know?
But you know what that reminds me of? Waiting at the doctor's office as a kid.
Oh,
with the
balls,
You should add those, bro.
Are hitting a little bit lip on this side, on the rear, but other than that, I feel like it should be pretty mint.
But what was happening before, Jacob?
Oh, just the sway bars. You don't need those. Those prevent to go low. You don't need those.
Feeling, bro? A lot better? Yeah?
Like you can smell the tire because it's just rubbing.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's good. Exhaust lead.
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
Backyard mechanic.
What are you doing for real?
I'm taking out my fuel pump. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
This guy's taking out his fuel pump right now.
I got my other fuel pump from my other E30 project.
A lot of pumping.
You know? Oh, that's why my fuel pump was giving up. You got some aftermarket shit in there. Wait, the car might not turn on.
Hang it a few times, no? This is crazy method you got going on here right now.
Yo, try
It'll start, eh?
Try turning on the car. Go for it.
But he's got to tow it home now. Oh, there we go. Cam pulled up. What up, Cam? What up, dog? What are you doing there?
Thanks, I don't know, you know, I'm just rolling a blizzard.
A blizzard,
It's a
eh?
nice day for a blizzard.
It's a beautiful day for a blizzard. Bro, you've been hacking away.
I was.
Yeah.
I clocked out for
You
today.
clocked
though.
out, bro. You did a lot of work, though.
I wasn't even supposed to work today. I was just supposed to chill out. But... Stop saying settle, bro. This is a settle 36, yo.
What are you thinking, bro?
It looks good, but like Nathan said, he needs to settle, bro.
You defeated today, or did you defeat the day?
I mean, it's a good purchase, good basket.
You know, good trade. That's alright.
Dude, that looks dope.
Where's the thing at? Really see it.
No way, it lights up.
Bro, you just gotta set up a hookah in there, bro. Fire.
Yeah, what do you think of the setup? Fire. Yeah? Yo, what up? We're at the car wash now. Get some food, get some rollers.
Oh, yeah. on TikTok. Oh, TikTok. Yeah.
You got a fan, bro?
Yeah.
This guy's gassed. But he's got some tomatoes.
Yes, sir.
Tomatoes or tomatoes?
Tomatoes, man. Freshly grown out of Walmart.
What are you guys saying? Yeah, you guys are gonna be in the vlog. You guys follow Fortune, right? Yes, sir. Just saying, we're just talking about the cars that you would take. Which one are you taking?
The white one or
The green one? How about you? The Vert?
when we get our G2s, watch.